Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. We're getting ready to do a 3-box break from eBay. This is our 2022 Marvel Metal Universe Spider-Man 3-box break. It's an eBay break from Sunday, October the 9th. That's what today is. That's the date of our break. That's the date the spots ended. Everyone got their spots and paid for them. Thanks to everybody for getting in the break. We'll get these... crack these boxes open, see what we got. Good luck to everybody. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch for any of the cards you hit, you can get those at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Box number 1. I'll do my best with these. It's our first Marvel break. Been breaking for a while, just haven't done Marvel before, so... And Star Wars, and I think that's the only non-sport that we've done in 8 years, but this should be fun. Box number 1. Alright, well, here we go. Good luck. Alright. These are very shiny, so hopefully you can see them. I'll do my best here to help with the camera and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, Scream base. I think that's Scream. Spider-Man Noir. Winter Soldier. That's a cool card. There's a Wolverine. It's a cool look there for Wolverine. Spider-Man Noir. Little insert there, pretty cool. And then Winter Soldier. Alright. Hopefully I catch any kind of inserts, but if I miss them, you can tell me and I'll... Oh my gosh, I know the PMGs are kind of what we're looking for. Here's a Ronin. Man, that reflected, it was just really hard to see those names. Anyway, Morbius. Then we have a Toxin, followed by Nick Fury. Then we have an Aunt May. That looks kind of like a bronze. That's kind of cool. Or gold, something like that. Cool card. And then we have a Wolverine. Look at that. It's like a throwback Wolverine. That's a pretty cool card. Nice. There's Mr. Negative. Then we have Tinkerer, followed by Miles Morales. Then a Kangaroo. How about a Chameleon? That's a cool card. And then we have a Ronin. Alright, Hawkeye, Scorpion, Aunt May. There's a Vision with like kind of a blue background there. I'm looking for some numbering or something to let me know. Calypso. That's a cool card. A little insert action there. And then a Scarlet Witch. There's Shocker, Beast, Mayday Parker, Cosmic Spider-Man, that's a cool card, Dr. Octopus, and then Kraven in all of his glory. It's a cool card. All right, Scarlet Witch, Dr. Octopus, Craven. There's a Hulk. It's a cool Hulk. There's another Hulk. That's a cool one. And then we have a Scream. Keep looking for numbering, not seeing numbering, but. Alright, next pack. Sentry, Thor. There's a Black Widow. Hydro Man. A little Scream gold or bronze action there. That's pretty cool. And then Morbius. Look at that. He looks scared. Scary. Looks like he had a bad night out. Alright, we got Captain Marvel. How about a Carnage? That's a cool card. No? Is that what it is? No? Or Kano? I'm guessing no. Anya Corazon. Ooh, what do we got back here? Look at that. How about a PMG of Calypso? Red PMG of Calypso. That one is numbered to 199. Calypso. Congrats on that one. And then we have a Tinkerer. Oh, 100 was it? Okay. You're right. 65 out of 100. My bad. Thanks for the correction, buddy. Got my back. Alright. Black Bolt. Scarlet Spider. Rhino. Spencer Smythe. Ooh, look at that. With the spider medal. That's pretty cool. Z-Force. That one is numbered to 62. Very cool. Who got that? Let's go out to Stephanie C. Congratulations on that one. Really cool card. Miles Morales. Next up, Black Cat, Tombstone, Nova. That's really cool. I like that one. Luke Cage. Then a Winter Soldier. Nice insert there. We have Nick Fury. A lot different there, huh? J. Jonah Jameson, Doppelganger, Ironheart, Silvermane. You got a little die cut action here. It is the Hobgoblin. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Congratulations, Hobgoblin. Let's see. John T. There you go. Congrats on that. And then a Mr. Negative. All right, last pack of box number 1. All right, Madam Web, Hobgoblin. There's Ghost Spider, Crime Master, then Carnage. There you go. Nice. Nice Carnage on that. Congrats. And then a Toxin. All right, that's box number 1. On to box number 2. 14 or older, it says on the pack. I didn't make sure that everybody was 14. We need to do it. Age check. All right, Doc Ock, Craven. There's a Hulk. There's Hulk. Another Scream. And then how about that? Al Apic. Grandiose. Going out to Kenny G. Kenny, there you go. We got Ben Parker. Beast. Then a Mayday Parker. Cosmic Spider-Man. Scarlet Witch. Mary Jane Watson. That's nice. Nice Mary Jane Watson. Grandiose. Let's see. Let's go on to Jared M. Jared, there you go. And then we have the Falcon. It's a cool card. Morbius, Toxin, Nick Fury, Mr. Negative, and then a Pink Scream. There you go. Little Pink Scream numbered 6 out of 75. Pink Scream. Kenny G, it's coming to you. Let's see. Then we have She-Hulk. Tinker, Miles Morales, Kangaroo, Sentry. Then we have a sketch card. One of one sketch card. Then we have Silk. Thor, Black Widow, Hydro Man, Madam Web, there's Spider, and then Morlun. Hobgoblin, Ghost Spider, Crime Master, Black Cat, Doctor Strange, and Prowler. Falcon, Ben Parker, Winter Sinister, or Mr. Sinister, my bad. Read that wrong. She-Hulk. There's a Spider-Man and a Superior Spider-Man. Nice inserts there at the back. Little blue silk action. That's cool. Spider, Morlun, Doctor Strange. Then a Wilson Fisk. That's pretty cool. Followed by Jessica Jones. Prowler. Agent Venom. Spider-Man, Daredevil, a Hobgoblin, gold action, and then Miss Marvel. Green Goblin, Lizard, Black Tarantula, Hawkeye, then a Gold Scorpion, followed by Spider-Punk. Next pack. Scorpion, Aunt May, Vision, Shocker. There is a Silvermane Gold. And then Peter Porker. Alright, last pack of box number 2. Alright, Spider-Man Noir, Winter Soldier, Wolverine, Ronin. And then there's a Wilson Fisk die cut. Was that Paladin? Is that what that says? Or I can't tell what that says. Congrats on the die cut. A little acetate action there. Let's see. Wilson Fisk is DeForest T. There you go. And then we have a Mr. Sinister on the other insert. All right, that does it for box number 2. Coming up on box number 3. I always forget Upper Deck tapes their boxes. Upper Deck and Leaf. Everybody else just lets them flow. Good luck, everybody. Last pack, Mojo. All right, Scream. Very popular in these boxes. Spider-Man Noir, Winter Soldier, Wolverine. Then we have a die cut of Molten Man. Molten Man, Kenny. It's coming to you. After that, we have Spider-Man. Ronin, Morbius, Toxin, Nick Fury, then a Pink Hawkeye. Pink Hawkeye, Andrew, coming to you. $53 out of $75 on that one. Cool card. And we have Daredevil, old school Daredevil. Luke Cage, J. Jonah Jameson, Doppelganger. There's a Ironheart. Shocker. And then Beast. Just put that pink right on top. That's interesting. Daredevil, Green Goblin, Lizard, Black Tarantula, little Ronin parallel there, and Morlun. Hawkeye, Scorpion, Aunt May, Vision, then a gold Ben Parker, followed by Doctor Strange. Alright, Scarlet Witch, Dr. Octopus, Craven. There's Hulk. Then a Silvermane. Grandiose. Who had that? Silvermane John. There you go. Agent Venom. Mr. Negative. Tinkerer. There's Miles Morales. And then look at this. How about a Spider-Man cut of the Amazing Spider-Man number 42? It's pretty cool. Number 28 out of 40. There you go. Congrats. Then we have Green Goblin. Kangaroo, Sentry, Thor, Black Widow. There's Lizard, and then Black Tarantula. Hydro Man, Madam Web, Hobgoblin, kind of like a gold. Ghost Spider, Hawkeye, and Scorpion. Crime Master, Black Cat, Tombstone, Nova, get Nova on the board, Aunt May, and Vision. Who was the character in the comic cuts? I don't know. I'll take a look here. Silvermane, Captain America, or Captain America. Captain Marvel. Carnage. Null. J. Jonah Jameson Gold. And then Mayday Parker. Last pack. Good luck, guys. Guys and girls. Magneto. Maestro. There's a Gold Shriek. That's cool. Spider-Man, Winter Soldier, and Wolverine. Well, that does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much for getting the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. If you have any questions, let us know. Appreciate you breaking with us. Look forward to breaking again with you soon. Hope you have a good night and a great week. Peace.